Now, here's one example course where this person has the materials content area with nothing in it, which is fine. You can put content in any content area you choose. But if you're not going to be using this area, then you should go over here and actually delete that link to help declutter your navigation menu. If we look at the way that this course is structured, we have a collaborate link for the live web conferencing solution. And then we have an assignments content area. Now, for the assignments, this instructor opted to create a learning module called assignments, which is fine, except with the way that this was done, all of the assignments are actually here in the description. So here's all of this stuff that examines the different assignments and due dates. And if we go to the actual learning module by clicking on it, we will find that there's nothing in here. And so this, is kind of not really what they were going for. And if we go back to the actual assignment type, all we're doing essentially is listing a whole bunch of activities and then some due dates. And some of these some of these assignments are in the discussion board, and others are going to be via the test. So a better way of doing the assignments would have been to go over to build content and then do a course link. And then under course link, we'll give it a name. So quiz 1. And then for the location, we would go to browse. It's going to open up a new window here. And we would then find under the tests folder, because they have all of their quizzes and tests under the tests content area, which makes sense. And then quiz 1. And then we would have a description, a link to quiz 1 due on whichever date. And we have the option of restricting the date as well to display after a certain date and until a certain date if we only want it to be available for week 1. And then go ahead and hit submit. And now what we would have is we have our old learning module, which was done incorrectly, and we instead have a link to the actual quiz. And we could also have links to the discussion board, links to the chapter handouts. We could even upload the chapter handouts here as well. But then because we're not actually uploading any assignments, we might want to rename this folder to something else as well, like required materials for assignments or what have you. Honestly, assignments is okay. It's just more personal preference. But yeah, the learning module was not really the best choice for this particular course. They would have been better off with a list of individual links to quizzes and other chapter handouts.